Hi, this is how to add your first metric using the Google Sheets integration. I'm in the metrics section in Panobi, and I'm going to click on Add Metric. I'll call this something like conversion rate. It's really typical kind of metric that you would want to be looking at. I'll click on Data Source, and then I'll see that I can add an integration here. You can support all kinds of integrations in Panobi, so you could link to a data warehouse here, Google Sheets, Zapier. Today I'm going to do Google Sheets. So I'll click on Connect Integration, and I get taken over to the integrations list, select Google Sheets, select Configure, and just hit Connect. This is going to take us through the standard auth flow for Google. Now I'm back here. I can select Google Sheets as a data source, and then pick which specific spreadsheet I want Panobi to have access to. E-commerce data is what I'm selecting. All right, that looks good to me. What I see here is a preview of the data in my spreadsheet. And then here's where I set up the chart type and the X and Y axis. We're going to leave it on time series because it's a really useful thing to have updated every single day. Day will be the X axis, and we'll have conversion rate be the Y axis. And you can see I could go ahead and create a bunch of metrics linked to just that same spreadsheet, which is really useful. I can pick a color. Let's pick red. Okay, and hit publish. Give it a sec, and there you go. Now we have this data, and it will be updated at 8 a.m. my time every single day. So if I have a cron job or an integration like Coefficient that's pushing live data into a Google Sheet, it's almost as good as connecting a data warehouse.